Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Snyk projects for continuous dependency scanning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Snyk account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Select the project you want to update for continuous dependency scanning. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the project page. Scroll down to the continuous monitoring section. Ensure that the continuous monitoring feature is enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, review the connected repositories. Ensure that your repositories are properly linked to the project. To add a new repository, click on the Add Repository button. Follow the prompts to connect your desired repository. After linking, return to the project dashboard. Check the Dependencies tab to review your current dependencies. Make any necessary updates to the project dependencies. This can typically be done by modifying your project's configuration file. Make sure to save any changes made to your project files. Return to the Snyk dashboard and click on Tests to manually trigger a scan. Review the results of the scan for any vulnerabilities or issues. If any are found, follow the suggested remediation steps. Schedule regular scans for ongoing monitoring of your dependencies. This can usually be set in the project settings under Scan Schedule. Confirm that notifications are configured to alert you about scan results. This ensures you stay informed of any critical issues. Finally, review your project periodically to keep it up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively set up Snyk for continuous dependency scanning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.